will explain in details how you can make use of Vapos, how you can navigate Vapos, how you can pick your product, how you can write your account number on Vapos, and different ways you can earn money through Vapos. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and also I'm going to explain the mistakes some of you do. Okay, now let me explain in details. In Vapos, there are two ways you can sign up, because I've seen two people that come to my DM that said they sign up with 5,000, they are unable to get access to cash flow mystery system. I just laugh. Let me tell you something. In Vapos, you sign up in a two ways. If you are an affiliate marketer that has experience, you sign up on Vapos with just 5K to participate in the sales challenge. Do you understand? But as a newbie, someone that don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you have to sign up with 15K, and in that 15K you are going to have access to affiliate platform dashboard, and also you have access to cash flow mystery system. But some people will just be saying, how come, how are you charging me 15K, how are you saying 50K is registration, but in the website the registration fee is 5K. Let me tell you something. Before you start a business, you need to know everything about that business. Let me say I want to start a cloth business. I don't have any information about that cloth business. I just go to market, buy the cloth. Let me tell you something, I'm going to lose. But as a knowledgeable person, I'm going to go to someone that has experience, like 1 to 3 years. Okay, I want to learn how to sell clothes. The person will take me where he do get the clothes, and the person will explain to me the price I'm going to sell the product, and he's going to explain to me in and out the advantage of the disadvantage of that. That is when I'll become successful. Do you understand? And also in cash flow mystery system course, you learn everything you need to know about sales and marketing, how to position yourself as an expert, how you can promote people's products, and also how you can earn money through affiliate marketing. And the best part of it that is you are going to learn different detailed skills like graphic design, how to create a landing page, copywriting, content writing, how to create a Facebook advertisement, how to create a Instagram social media advertisement, and TikTok influencer, YouTube influencer, and so lot of skills. And do you know the funniest part of it, that the mistake you guys do, people don't see the benefit of what they're going to get in this course. Let me say now you were able to master and implement this course. Master, let me say okay, you were able to pick like graphic design, and you learn everything about graphic design, and you implement it, you maintain it, and sell yourself. Do you know that these skills can serve another stream of income? Let me ask you a question. If you want to learn a graphic design offline, you have like 20K upwards, and you are getting all these high paid data skills for just 15,000. Do you see the beauty of Africa market? Apart from you earning from people's data products, do you understand? That is the beauty of our playground. So don't get confused when you want to sign up. Don't get confused. For those that are affiliate marketer that have experience, that have earned money through different platforms, they are going to sign up with 5,000. Where you as a newbie, you are going to sign up with 15,000, and also you have access to affiliate platform dashboard, and you have access to cash flow mystery system, and also you have access to mentorship guide, though you have access to talk to top athletes and ask questions, and they will explain to you in details. So that is for that. So don't get confused. And also there are 5 ways you can earn money. One, from direct commission. Two, from chain commission. Let me say okay, let me say okay, now you start affiliate marketing, someone registered as an affiliate marketer, and then the person explain about this business, and someone wants to learn about affiliate marketing. The person saying you're going to earn commission. That's the chain commission. The milestone commission, maybe you reach a sales target, let me say maybe you reach 100,000 target, you're going to get extra money, or they'll just give you extra money. And for the sales challenge, maybe okay, maybe you have 15 sales. Apart from your normal commission, you get extra money as commission, just to thank you for your consistency. And also if you have 2,000 sales, I think the last and sales challenge is 2000 sales, you are going to have access to a car or a trip a lot. Thus you just when you sign up, when you sign up on Aftermath, you get details about the sales challenge. Or I'm going to talk about the sales challenge in my next video. Just make sure you watch my first 3 video that I'm going to post today. Make sure you watch it. So that's for that. So let me just go into the main topic of this video. So then I'm going to tap on the Vapos. Okay, I'm going to sign in. I'm going to write my link. This is a new account I just opened. So if you open like an affiliate marketer, because I signed up as an affiliate marketer because I've earned money from other platforms. So I just sign up as a, so this is how it does work. But if you are a newbie, your dashboard will be like that, be like this. But there's some difference. On top of this award, you're going to see a icon that look like book. That is where you are going to get your cash flow mystery system course that you will learn everything about affiliate marketing. So for me now, because I've have experience about affiliate marketing, I'm not going to have something like that. So if you are a newbie that sign up, first of all, the first icon will be an icon that look like book. You tap on it and then you check your course and then you learn everything about affiliate marketing. That's for that. For the award, this icon that look award, let me just show you. Okay, so can you see 100,000? Your certificate is not yet available. Keep pushing to reach. So if you reach 100,000, you're going to get certificate. If you reach 500,000, you're going to get 1 million, just to appreciate you for your consistent and that. So for this icon that look like human being, that is where you're going to write your account details. Let me just edit because I've written my account details there. So let me tap on edit for you to see. So this way you're going to write your phone number, your address, your country, your and lot. Then you tap on save. That is save. So can you see provide save? Then this, you tap on this icon, icon dollar icon. Okay, your sales record, that is where you get details of the sales records you got. And this place, that this icon that look like a link, icon link, that is where you are going to get your link. Okay, your affiliate invite. This link, don't get confused, this link, this your affiliate invite is the link you are going to send for someone that has experience about affiliate marketing, not a newbie that want to sign up to get access to cash flow. So this one is for someone, maybe you have maybe you have affiliate marketer that asks you about the Vapos, that asks you about Vapos affiliate, and you explain to the person, okay, send me a link for me to register. So he's going to register for 5,000 and you're going to earn a commission, like 10% commission from it. So this vendor invite is vendor for those that want to upload their course. If you have someone that the vendor that have different, that have discussed on different platforms, you can just talk about it and say, okay, why not make use of our pulse so that you so when that person is interested, you send this link and the person is going to register with a one-time payment of 10,000 and you're going to earn 50% commission. That is 5,000. Let me say assume you have 10 vendors that sign up, that is 50,000. So that is there's different ways you can earn money through Vapos. But other platform is 2 ways: your direct commission and sales challenge. And this one is 5 ways. So can you see? This one is 2 ways: from affiliate platform and from affiliate marketer that has experience, you earn money from it. From vendor that just sign up, you earn from money from it. Apart from the course they're going to promote. So it's different. Apart from the sales challenge, and apart from the affiliate. Okay, now maybe someone sign up as an affiliate and the person invites someone to become an affiliate or sell the course, you are going to earn commission. Can you see 5 ways you can earn money through this platform? So where you can get your course, this icon that look like a store, you tap on it. So it's going to show you different courses you can promote. Okay, there's a lot of courses here. Any course you can promote. How to solve mathematics, just go through it. Let me show you the commission. Okay, this is the first one. This one commission 15% commission. In fact, the price is $15, 55% commission, $30, 50% commission, $30, 60% commission, $10, 50% commission, and loss. Can you see? So let me tell you, in this Vapos app, the dollar rate is 1,000. So this $15 is 15,000 and you're earning 55%. So that means 55% of $15 is 8,250. You can do the mathematics. If I'm wrong, I think it's 8,250. Just do the mathematics. 8,250. $30, 50%, you are earning 15,000. So that is the beauty. So you can, if you are an outside that sign up on this platform and you want to promote any course from this platform, I will advise you as an outside guy, promote the outside affiliate marketing course, because it's going to teach you the areas how they can sell their products in that language, and they'll be able to understand very well, and you'll be able to get a lot of sales. Because on this platform I've not seen Robert that talk about Afro marketing, so all these courses are taught by English and Hausa language. Do you understand? So if you are outside that I want to promote this course, you can just go. We have maybe we have the outside marketing course. This affiliate marketing course is $10. You have 50% commission. And outside graphic design, for those are people that want to learn about graphic design but they don't understand the English version, you can promote this product for them as an outside guy and you start to earn money. So this is a great opportunity for you as an outside guy that complain that you don't know how to earn money with your smartphone, or you are broke. Make use of this opportunity to sign up as an affiliate marketer, get access to the cash flow system mystery course, and you are going to learn everything about sales and marketing. Then when you sign up on this platform, you go ahead and pick all these courses that is explained in outside language. You'll be able to generate a lot of money. You know that you'll be able to communicate with your outside people, and also you can communicate with those that understand English like you. Do you understand? So that is the bit of it. So let me tap on two. You tap on all this number to get so many courses. So this is okay. Our affiliate marketing accelerator program, $12, 16%. Also affiliate marketing and importation. For those people that want to learn importation, you can promote this course. It's $7. You earn 50% commission. Those do the mathematics and know how much you are going to gain. The champion and stuff like that. Also affiliate marketing Arewa HSP. This is a hot selling course because people are buying it. It's $15. You are going to earn 60% commission. That is almost like 9,000. So, okay, let me say you, as an outside guy, you sign up as an affiliate marketer and you were able to promote this to our reward people. That means you are in like 9,000. Let me say 9,000 times 10,6. That is 90,000. Do you understand? So let me just show you how you can pick your products. For those people that want to promote, but I want to advise you as a newbie, don't promote the course you got. Promote another course. You understand? Don't promote the cash flow mystery system course. Promote another course. And make sure before you promote, the mistake you been do is that when you pick a product, you just go on social media, you start posting your link, you start saying, come and buy this. No, people will not buy it. When you share value of something, that is when people will pay you. So if you want to promote any course, make sure you know everything about that product. Make sure you know everything about that course. That is when people will give you that money. Let me say I want to promote Biro, and nobody has information about Biro. I come on social media or offline, say, come and buy Biro, come and buy Biro. Nobody will buy that Biro. But when I sit then down and say, okay, this Biro, you can make use of it to write, you can make use of it to write letter to someone, you can make use of it to just something. That is when people will give me the money to buy that Biro. Do you understand? So make sure whenever you pick a product, learn everything about this product. Go to Google, you can create a WhatsApp group and just talk briefly about the course, and that's okay. If you want to learn more about this course, I have a course, and this you send the link and they pay that money and you hand commission. So never do that mistake as a newbie. Just come to your affiliate platform, pick a product and start shouting, come and buy this. No, learn everything about it. So I'm going to show you how you can pick your product. So okay, let me show you. Okay, for those that want to, let me show you the copy. Just tap on it. You're going to be seeing copy. Okay, this cash flow mystery system costs $15. They are earning 55% commission. That is 8,000. Just do the math. I think it's 8,250. 8,250. So you come to this page, right? You copy your link. You tap on OK. Then you paste it on your notepad, or you paste it in somewhere. Maybe create a WhatsApp group where you can paste your link. You paste it down, right? Okay, write the name of the course. Do you understand? Just write the name of the course. So that's for that. And also I did a video on how to shorten your affiliate, because sometimes when you send your affiliate link, some affiliate link are very young. When you send your affiliate, some people think maybe it's a scam, some people think maybe it's a link that wants to scam them, stuff like that. So you make use of a website to shorten the link. I did a video about that, I think last year or earlier of this year. So just go through my YouTube channel to get more details about it, and you will learn how to short. I think I talk about 3 platforms you can make use of to shorten your affiliate links. So do you understand? For those people that don't know how to sign up, you can ask them to send the money to you. Then you ask for the details, because I did a video on how you can sign up. Just go through it so that you know the details you can ask from them. I think when you want to sign up on this platform, they'll ask you your name, your email, I think phone number. Just go through it, because I did a tutorial on how you can sign up this platform, so you can get it. Then send them out, send your account details, and they'll send the money and tell them to send that name and stuff like that. Do you understand? So you'll be able to send it. So when you copy your link, this place is due to know details about, just get the information about this course, the commission, the stuff. So but if you want to learn everything about the course, you want to know the benefit that people get, you tap on the go to, this go to. That is where the go to is going to take you to the sales page, where you understand everything about the course. So this is it. Testimony. Let me show you, Joe. Allow me to show you the blessing of affiliate marketing. Maybe some people will get sense. So this guy was able to make use of affiliate marketing to build the shop he dream about. So even though you don't want to go into affiliate marketing for lifetime, you can start affiliate marketing so that you can be able to use the money to start a business. Maybe you are a photographer and you don't have money to buy the necessary instruments, or you don't have money to buy the shop, you can go into affiliate marketing, learn everything about sales marketing, and when you get money, you make use of the money to establish your business, and you can sponsor your life, and you can win so many awards. And there's a sales challenge, you can win car, a cash prize, a laptop, a smartphone, and so lot. So you can make use of this opportunity to sponsor your lifetime and start the business you want. No product ownership needed, no shop and stuff like that. So this is what they're going to get from this course. They're going to learn sales and marketing. That is why, see, if you see this video, sign up on affiliate marketing, because it's going to teach you everything about sales and marketing. Even though you decide to sell your own personal product, you need to understand, you need to know your audience. Because in this sales and marketing is going to teach you how to know your audience, how to know the people you can target, how to create a paid content, as in, you need to know the problem of people before you can promote a product. You understand? It's going to teach you everything under this is marketing. It's going to teach you WhatsApp marketing, how you can earn through WhatsApp, how to design landing page, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Google ads, full graph design training, content creation, TikTok organic, and lots more of things you can learn on this course. Just know the benefit of the course, and then you start to promote. Don't come and shout, come and buy cash flow mysteries. Nobody. If they don't know the value they are going to get from this course, they will never pay for it. So that is for that. So when you know everything about it, that is when you will start promoting and you start earning commission. So if you want to register as an affiliate marketer, a newbie or experienced affiliate marketer, there's a link in my description below. Sign up through that link and send message to me that I've signed up. Or if you don't know how to sign up on this platform, you can send me a message. I'm going to help you to sign up, and you receive an email. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video, and make sure if you want to learn how to shorten your link, there's shorten your affiliate link. Check on my YouTube channel. You are going to see a video that talk about how you can shorten your link in 3 ways. So thank you for watching, and God bless. I hope you have learned one or two things. God bless you.